All right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Sir JR. Good evening, Coach Rand. And Ma'am Annalyn Bell, Sir Junray, Sir Ligaya, Kuya Paul, Ma'am Riza, Ma'am Tessa, Ate Wendy, and Ma'am Lisa Lynn. So good evening everyone to our viewers in Zoom and Facebook Live viewers. Welcome back to our webinar for tonight, which is the part 2 of funnel design creation. Again, this is Sheila, your host for tonight's webinar. Ayan, maaari ba tayo mag-type 8 kung ready na po tayo sa ating part 2 sa ating funnel design creation? Yan, meron tayong isa, dalawa, tatlo. Okay. Ayan. Nice. Now, pwede nyo bang itype kung taga saan po kayo? QC. Meron din po tayong Cebu. Antipolo. Zamboanga City. Okay. Okay, thank you for that. Maaari nyo bang i-drop ang email address nyo po sa chat box para po ma-add namin kayo sa The Premium Funnels group chat sa WebEx. At para naman po sa mga nag-drop na po nung nakaraan, last webinar po natin, which is the part 1, pwede po ba kayong mag-type 1 para confirmation na andun na po kayo sa GC natin sa WebEx. Okay, si Sir Junre andun na, si Ma'am Bell, si Ma'am Riza, okay, lahat tayo 1. Okay, that's nice. Alright, thank you for dropping your email address and for the confirmation. Thank you so much. So let's start this. Welcome to episode 8, the Premium Tuesday webinar. I'm excited, we are excited to have you here tonight for another great discussion. No matter where you are, get ready to learn about funnel creation part 2 and make your funnel design better. Before we begin, we want to thank you, our wonderful sponsor, for making this event happen. Thank you very much to Tamarind Boost Pro, Accu White Label Services, The Bisaya Coder, MJ Lux Nail, Scent Barley, DXN, Circuit Safe, MacUV Dome, Pick and Mix Creative Fashion, and Pure Harvest Coconut Product. These amazing companies help businesses grow and come up with new ideas, which we are very thankful for their support. Now, let's discuss what we're going tonight kasi yan naman ang pinunta natin sa webinar na to. So again, this is the part 2. So welcome to our episode 8 Premium Tuesday webinar about making your funnel so much better and perfect with this part 2. Our speaker will explain how to make your design step by step from not so good design to better design in our session called Funnel Design Creation Part 2. Since this is the part 2, to the viewers na hindi po nakapanood sa part 1, pwede po kayo mag-scroll sa Facebook page po natin, which is the Premium Funnels. Mag-scroll lang po kayo sa mga posts, andun po yung part 1 natin. After the session po, we will have Q&A session. So make sure to stick around for your queries. Para if may additional question kayo from the last webinar, pwede po masagot ng ating speaker. So, we are ready. Ready na ba kayo guys? Can you type 8? Okay, ready na. Wow, ang bilis ng mga typing warriors natin dyan, or keyboard warriors. Okay. With that, let's turn our focus to Coach Rand. He is not only great at web development, but also a master at creating funnel design creation. He has many years of experience helping businesses improve their sales and increase their income. His advice has changed many businesses for the better. And tonight, he is here to share what he knows and answer your question. So, Coach Ran, it's your time po.
All right, so can you confirm if you can hear me? Audible lang ba yung ano natin?
Yes.
All right, sige. Can you type one, can you type in the chat, what is your best, like, what describes you? Are you a freelancer, an agency owner, or a business owner? Yeah, I just wanted to know. We can know our audience pala. Yeah, mostly we are a freelancer. Yeah, anyone here is an agency owner, or yeah, we have project manager, or ano, like a business owner. Right? Okay. So almost of you is like freelancers, correct? So you can like butt me in during or in the middle of the discussion, no? If you have any questions. All right. Sige. Maybe we can start na. Can you type one if you're like ready? And by the way, thank you for the ano, for the intro pala. The host natin ngayon. Parang nag-prepare siya talaga. No. All right. Can you type one if you're guys ready? Like you are ready to rock and roll. Right. So yeah, our discussion for tonight is just the continuation for the part one. This is the part two now of our funnel design creation. No. Okay. So let me just share my screen. The one we'll be building right now is something crazy. Uh, this is not ano pa like well distributed online. Kasi this is a very custom made talaga for businesses, especially for those if you're having a client na very specific talaga sa need nila. I know like almost you here is ano na like a great designer, a great funnel builder. But what if some of the things na gusto ng client is you cannot achieve pa because there are limitations with the funnel builder or the site builder or Accio, di ba? By the way, for the information of everyone, we're using Accio as our site builder. You can use Elementor from WordPress, uh, Divi from WordPress as well, or any site builder. No, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so yung goal natin tonight is for you to create an advanced na. So this is like intermediate to advanced na mga ano, na integration. So you need to have a background with HTML and CSS tonight talaga. But no worries for those who don't know this. I'll try my best to ano to like teach you like from ano talaga, from very basic. At least you can get started with it. Okay? Right, so again, let's start with this. I'll be sharing my screen. All right, so last time we had playground. We implemented this chiropractic. Okay. I think this is the idea coming from Rene last time that we had our discussion. So ito lang naman yung na-create natin last time. So it's just pretty basic, no? So this is the design that we've created. Medyo ito lang yung output natin kasi we've created some research, correct? Like we've gone to like some design inspiration like from Pinterest, Pinforest, Envato Elements, and so much more. So we focused last time with the design inspiration, but now we'll be focusing sa pag-build ng design. Okay? All right. So now, since I've mentioned you know that this will be kind of intermediate or advanced, we're going to create a fresh funnel or design. Okay? So let's just create a new funnel here. Maybe inside playground na. So, ito siya. Yeah, this is inside playground na pala. Okay? So, yeah, this is Accio pala if you don't know. You can like search on it And this Accio CRM or this CRM tool will enable you to like create a site inside, no? So let's create a fresh funnel. Maybe we can name this one as, yeah, we can name this one as premium funnel, okay? Because yun lang naman talaga yung goal natin is to create premium funnel. All right. Can you type one if you have like created ano na, like a design or funnel inside Accio? Para we can know lang if sino dito yung mga Accio user and still who's ano na taking advantage on this tool. Okay, so we have a lot. Okay, after you created a funnel project, it will going to prompt you this add a new step. All you need to do is like provide some ano page name. So for example, landing page. Okay. So this involves CSS and ano like ano na. So this one instead of use existing, since we are pro na, we're going to create from blank or from scratch talaga. I think you know now what's the difference between creating from scratch or using existing template. No? You can use existing template, but mahirapan ka sa pag-modify talaga. That's the only disadvantage. Okay? But since we're using like from scratch talaga, and we've discussed na last time about the structure, correct? Like how to add rows, columns, and exact element. Okay? Okay, so before I proceed, it is important for you as well to know what are the copywriting you're going to add. Like what are the exact words you need to add onto your landing page or website. Yeah. In our ano, session tonight, I'll just use our existing copy. So this is our landing page copy, no? So I'll just like copy and paste everything, no? So let's start. So this is the pre-headline, the header, okay? So if you remember last time, the way I do it is I just paste everything muna, like the copy, onto the funnel before I do the design. Okay? So let's do that the same way. So let's add the structure. So let's add element here. Let's add the headline, no? So again, if you have any questions, you can like open your mic or chat sana natin. Okay? So again, I'll just paste everything. So this is an entire section and then an entire row. This is the blue now. Then I'm going to create like another, maybe another section for this. So another section for the content. So for this, I need to have an image. Yeah, the image can be your logo. No? So let me just add the logo that we are having. So as expected, if you're having a client, of course, you need to have a logo, correct? So add nyo lang yung logo ng client here. So maybe I can adjust this to like 80 pixels or maybe 100 pixels. Okay? So don't worry with the structure muna. Let's focus muna onto the uh, copy that will be embedding sa ano natin funnel. Okay? So one trick here is you can like duplicate and then copy. So that's my trick as well. So this is the pre-headline. And then this is the main headline. Okay? So it's like purely copy and pasting talaga if you have the copy na. I hope you're having one. It's very lucky that we are having a good copywriters. So sila yung gumagawa ng copywriting natin. Okay? So this one. Okay. So paragraph. All right. So I hope you guys are following, ha? Can you type one if you're still following? Okay. All right. So that's great. Yeah, I hope you so. And lastly is the button. So button. And then I'll just paste here the copywriting that we are having, like, get my free premium funnel template now. Yeah, this one. Okay. Oops. Get my free, there's no space na here. Get my free funnel template, or instead of my, get the get the free premium template now. Okay. So this is the structure. As you've noticed, it's very boring talaga. So there are like minor ano lang, copy issue. All right. So this is like very boring pa. And our goal for tonight is we're going to enhance this to like premium looking design. Okay. So since this is a ano lang, like a headline, one of the requirements when we do funnels talaga, we need to have the branding. In our case, it's so lucky that we are having this, like our color palette. No? So for your clients, you can like ask your client for the color palette. No? You need to have that one para you can like create beautiful and corporate website or stick with your branding. So for this one, I'll just use our very dark version, the hashtag uh six one like 11111. So I'll just make this one very dark. Okay. So hashtag 111111. So this is our color palette. I advise as well that you add muna the colors, no? Para all you need to do is like select na lang. So I'll add another one. I believe in WordPress you have this option as well for you to have a color palette, no? So we have this as well, and then F6 for our white version. F6. So this is our white version. And then we have FFC B74. So add a new color, FFC B74. Add color. And then last is DAA 520. So add new color, DAA 520. It doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase for the hex code. This is not case sensitive. All right, so as you've noticed, we have our color palettes, no? So all we need to do is like play around with the colors. So maybe I can use the very dark. And since our branding is dark version, no, we're going to stick with the dark version. So I'll make the foreground white. So yeah, it's very great talaga if you're having a color palette na ready. And since this is like the the header, we can convert this to like a smaller amount of size. So 26 is the best, or maybe 24. Yeah, or let's just make it 20. No? And maybe let's just increase the letter spaces. Yeah. So there is an art for letter spaces, but I don't want you to like abuse this letter space na, no, ha? And as you've noticed, there are a lot of white space. So all we need to do is like lesser the white space in it. So what we can do is like select the entire row, and then see this, like there is an extra padding of 15 pixel. All we need to do is like make it 0 para the white spaces can be adjusted. So that is for row setting. Then let's do it for column settings as well. So again, I advise you to like watch the first part for you to like really understand how do I do this. But for those who can like follow, you're doing great so far. Okay. So this one, let's add a background. Okay. So for the background, this is very tricky. Kasi, this can be an image. This can be a gradient background. This can be a video. Correct? So you need to like know your branding talaga. If you've noticed that the client wants to have an interaction talaga with your site, with their funnel or website, you can do like video background. But you can like tell your client na, hi mom, sir, and sir, hi mom and sir, this can be great, but the optimization can be compromised, or the speed of the website can be like compromised. And what if the video source is unstable, something like that. But let's try, by adding a video background. So do you want to witness how do we do this? So maybe we can search for, since our branding is premium, no? So this is dark and gold na branding. So what you can do is maybe you can like find on YouTube like dark gold video background. I don't know. Yeah, something like this. All right, diba? This is great. So imagine that this is the background ng funnel nyo. This can be like awesome talaga. So let's try this background. Okay. Ano, this is too light. Okay, so all we need to do is like, you need to download this one pala. No, you need to download the video for you to like embed to the website. Ayun, so I have a downloader here. That's why I can like download it directly. But if you don't have this tool, there are Chrome extension and ano naman, like other sources where you can like download these videos. Oh, it's loading. Yeah. So the goal is like ma-download nyo siya. Okay? So this is the tool. So maybe I can store it somewhere lang. So since I'm downloading this and trying to like upload it into the system, meaning it will going to consume some space, correct? Ayun, so it start to lag video. So maybe you can save it here. And let's go back here. So this time, we're going to add a background. So see this, like you have two options. It's either an image or video. For video, you need to upload a video. So since we just recently like downloaded the video, uh, maybe you can store it from here. So let me just find the video. Is it done converting? Okay. Okay, so it's not yet done pala. So I'm going to store this one onto the video. Save and start download. Okay, so it's done. So we're going to upload that video from YouTube. So upload. And then I'm going to locate that video. So this is the video. So as you can notice, this is like heavy file. But if the client insists na gusto talaga niya ng video, then you can do so. So you can like change the fit to like cover, diba? So make this one with our light color. So maybe this one. And then this one as well. Para there's contrast, okay? All right. So maybe you can like adjust some of the things like the padding and margin. So maybe you can like give the padding bottom around 100 pixel. Okay. So I think this is great. And then since this is in like a pre-headline, this should be like decrease in size. So maybe like 24 or maybe let's do 18. And then this one, this should be like very big because this is the headline. So maybe we can make it like 54 or maybe 45. It's up to you guys. And then for this one, limited time offer, uh, this will be great if this is in cursive or other font, no? So let's just modify the headline font to custom font and let's select a font. So from default fonts, we can like select Pacifico. So this is a cursive font. Oh, yeah, that one. And then yeah, let's adjust the spacing. So maybe from this, let's add 20. Yeah, if you've noticed that I'm doing it very fast, no, that's fine kasi para we can like cover to an hour and like discuss with your like inquiries or questions if you have any. Anyway, you can like review naman this recording. So maybe you can like adjust the line height. Line height is the spaces between the line of paragraphs, okay? So maybe 1.2, something like that. All right. So yeah, so maybe we can like select the entire section and let's add a background opacity, like maybe half, and change the background color to something like dark. Or if you want this yellow or dark, no, you have the option. So let's just say this is the dark. Then all I need to do is like save. And then let's preview this. Yeah. So far, do you have any questions or are you still following? Okay. So let's preview this and let's make this one on laptop view. Yeah. There you go. There is a background moving onto your site. Okay. But we need to like change the color spot and everything. So what we can do is we're going to add our own like uh typography because here this is currently set to Montserrat and Lato, no? Let's try Inter. Inter, by the way, is our branding typography, no? So let's do Inter to both, no? So Inter. All right. And we're done. I think it's better if we can make this one 54. Let's do 54. Right, so that's great. And yeah, I think this is good so far. And let's do some gradient. Yeah, gradient text if you want, no? Kasi this is very plain. If you try to read it like, stop struggling with funnels, get a free premium funnel template, diba? Parang boring siya. So what we can do, it's like we can do some emphasis or color emphasis to typography. So for example, stop struggling. We can do this like the color of this is like light white. So maybe this one. Or maybe you can select another color. So stop struggling. Or you can do it like red. So it depends on you know. And then with stop struggling with premium funnels. And I want to emphasize this like get a free premium template. So maybe you can like enter this. Okay. So I want to like emphasize this get free premium funnel template. No? Okay, so maybe you can like do this. And let's do this italic. So for the italic, we're going to set another color to like this one maybe. And then for free premium funnels, I want it to be customized or gradient. No? So what I can do is I need to borrow from CSS or from a code. So you can search for gradient text CSS. So this is kind of advanced na topic, but I hope you can get this, no? And if you want to like share your then your output, you can like freely share in our community. Like this can be like a success into your like sharing your wins, no? You can like post your wins here as well if you want, no? So this is the code for that. So I want you to study as well CSS for you to like be a premium funnel designer. Ayun, diba? Yun naman yung talaga yung gusto natin. Like, we're going to make this a very premium looking talaga. So this is uh so I'll just paste. I'll name this one gradient text and strong. So strong is only applied for the if we bold something in our text, no? So make this one important, important, and then this one, yeah, this is good now. So maybe I can like show you this like gradient text is the custom class, and then the strong is the bold. Meaning, if you assign a gradient text to some elements, it it will going to search for the strong. Meaning, it will just only identify the bold fonts. No? For example, this one. If we apply that, ito lang yung ma-recognize niya. Meaning, ito lang i-change niya. No? To apply a CSS onto a certain element, make sure you select the element muna and go to advanced and see this custom class. We can add the one we've added, like the gradient dash text. So I already added the gradient dash text, but it didn't reflect pa. So maybe I can take a look at the, oh, nasaan na yung CSS? Did I save it? Hala, parang may kasama ako ngayon. So again, gradient dash text and then strong para we can make sure that this will be applied lang sa bold text. I'm adding important para we're going to prioritize the code. Okay. So save. There you go. So there is something happening. So maybe I can like go back linear that gradient dash text. So maybe I can like remove this important muna. All right, so it's already applied. But I want ma-apply here yung branding ko. Remember my branding or from your client's branding, this one. Diba? So I want to apply maybe a variation of these three colors, like from very dark gold to light gold and then the white. Okay. So one trick from the custom CSS is these are not just limited to like the two parameters. So itong background linear gradient, this is the one responsible displaying this gradient effect. Diba? So let's add the branding like the branding of the premium funnels. So that's hashtag. I'm not good in memorizing, but yeah, from the dark gold, it's DAA 520, and then the next one is FFCB 74, CB 74. Oops, FFCB 74. FFCB 74. Make sure you like separated it with comma, but it indicates like this is another value. And then the last is F6, F6, F6. So F6, F6, F6. All right. So let's take a look at the result. Ayun. Diba? With pre-premium funnels. But I don't want na horizontal siya. I want to change the degree or the angle of the gradient. So we can add like 45 degrees and then comma. All right. So this is from dark to light. Maybe I don't want to like add the very light. So what I can do, it's like So as you can see that I'm experimenting now. This is not 520. Yeah, you can like play around with your color branding. So yeah, I want the dark the dark gold and then light gold and then dark gold. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm very happy with this. And maybe we can like subtly increase the font size pa talaga to around maybe let's do it 60. Let's try. Yun. So yeah, this is good na. And for the limited time offer, I want this to be like uh stick with the branding. Let's just say this is the light yellow. Light yellow. Yeah, yan. So this is what I really wanted. And maybe increase the we're going to make this one all capital letter. So you can like go to advanced and then change the to uppercase and then add some letter spaces. So again, letter spaces are great, but I don't want you to like abuse it, no? And make this one this or maybe lights. Yeah. See the potential of like the color branding if you have one. Like you can like really play around with your design. So if you're having a client, you need to have the branding colors talaga or the color palette. Para they can like appreciate that, oh, this is my brand. I'm really impressed. Something like that. So maybe we can make this one 40 or 36. That's a standard. No? Maybe 40 will do. Okay. So to make this one very irresistible, we can make or add a video. Ayun na. So the video, this can be like the VSL ninyo. Okay. But I want this uh mga 3/4 in size lang. Something like this. So maybe we can like move this limited time offer above and then video and then this one. So let me just find a video placeholder. Any idea what is the purpose of the video here? Anyone? Yeah, you can like open your mic or chat sa chat box. Yeah. Ayun. Do you have an idea? Why is it an option as well for us to add a video there? Yeah, according to Bell, it's introduction. So that's the no introduction. Or this is also known as VSL or video sales letter. If you've noticed with our funnels, like maybe I can share some of the results that we're having. If I'm going to share some of the no, like funnels that we're having, you can really check talaga that there's a video, diba? May video and then another video here. Even kina Chinkitan, they have like videos and some mga offers. So this is like the importance, like, because some of the audience now, they want to have the user generated content, no? They want na there's someone who's talking to them. So this is just a placeholder, ha? But you can like replace this one with your video. For example, you're doing real estate. It will be great talaga if you can like showcase some of the real estate property through a video. Diba? So I'll just paste the video URL here. So dyan. And let's add a very
Today's video, I'm going to show you how to save time by
yeah. And let's just remove this empty spaces here because we'll be adding our own branding border. So let me show you what I mean. Ito siya. So under advanced, you can go to like adding a full border, maybe 5 pixels, and then add our branding like this one. Or if you want it to be like very exaggerated, we can do this. And maybe this time we can do this. Something like that. And maybe you can like add a margin to around 20 pixel. Yeah, it's a matter of like testing as well, no? All right. I think this is good. Yeah, pa siya. So you have an option as well to move this here sa baba. Okay. So let's try to preview this. So preview natin to siya. Or if you want me to preview on my testing environment, so this is how I test as well. So this is just an insider na no information, but a good thing you're in this webinar. You can like witness how we do testing, no? So maybe we can add uh a desktop, maybe MacBook 13. Oh no, this can be great in 15-inch. And maybe like we can like remove this. So this is how it looks like in a MacBook. So maybe we can like refresh. Oh, the video is not playing. It's a background. Yeah, it's not playing, but let's check it here. Yeah, this one. Diba? And this is additional trick na kasi for me, it's very boring if I read all of this. So what you can do is like you can like bold some of the important information. For example, a proven trusted funnel. This is important with that will give you 300% increase in your leads and 150 in your leads. Yan. And maybe this one, 150% boost on your conversion. Yeah, just all into this like control B or bold it. No, just think about the impact those number would on your business. This one and your peace. Yeah, and your peace of mind. Grab this offer now before it's too late. So what I can do, it's like I'm going to modify the bold fonts to like with the branding, like this one, diba? And maybe this as well to some things that sticks to the brand. Maybe this one. Or if you want this one, yeah, that can be and then doable. All right. So do you think this is something great or maybe you can like preview this. This one. What do you think, guys? All you need to do is like replace your video here. For example, you're into like the insurance, So it will be great talaga if you have a video like, hi everyone, thank you for taking the first step towards securing your life, securing your life plan with your insurance business, or for example with True Life UK with Sun Life or Manulife, diba? So yeah, what do you think sa output natin ngayon? Is this something na you know before attending here? Or this is something new for you? All right. So yeah, before we end our like webinar, I want you to ask me questions if you have any. Go.
Don't be shy, guys.
Yeah, that's it for like webinar natin ngayon, since we're just trying to utilize an hour for this. So if you have any question, just drop it on the chat box or open your mic.
Salamat po, Coach Ron, for sharing your really helpful tips for making a great great funnels. I hope you learn a lot from the discussion. So, open na po yung discussion for Q&A. So, if may question po kayo, I'm here to read your question. Any question, clarification, pwede nyo po ilagay sa ating chat box. Okay, walang question din sa Facebook Live. And dito sa Zoom. Okay. Meron po nagsalita.
Coach Ran, yung po bang CSS, marami pong pwedeng paghanapan or lahat po ba yon pre na may mga platform na pre ang kukunan ng CSS? Kasi I haven't tried use CSS before kaya hindi ko pa alam kung saang platform siya hahanapin, kung libre lang ba siya.
Yeah. One trick na ginagamit ng iba is using ChatGPT. Like, I want to create a gradient background with CSS. Yeah, ChatGPT will going to give you results. Or you can like do research then. Like, for example, instead of a video background, kasi it concerns your client na it's very heavy sa website. So you can do it's like, you can like gradient CSS background. Or this is the tool I'm using, gradient mesh CSS. No? So there are a lot of tools now out there. You don't need to like create your own CSS. All you need to do is like, ano lang talaga. For example, this one. This is a tool na siya na yung nagka-create ng gradients. See this? Like, for example, you like this gradient. And you can like remove these colors lang and apply your branding. So you see like how important the color palette talaga in doing designs. So let me just grab my ano. So as I remember, the background color is 111 111. And then maybe you can like play around with the colors na starting from here. And then next is that's 2F, 2F, 2F. And then the last is maybe you can select from our color na yung ano, like DAA. DAA 520 ba yun? For example, this one, diba? Ayun, but I want sana nasa baba yung ano. Maybe you can like try to generate other design. Daming design, daming gradient. Yeah, so maybe this one. So replace mo lang to siya with your branding. But this is not just limited for ano ha. There are a lot of tools or a lot of platforms who is like rendering na ano. But if you're going to try to ask me, pwede naman na background image na lang instead of that, diba? The problem with background images, they consume a lot of space sa ano mo, sa site. So 2F, 2F, 2F. And then the last is like I think that's the branding color na DAA 520. Tama ba? Ano? What's that? I forgot the hex code. I think that's here ito siya. Tama naman. DAA 520. DAA 520. My numlock is not 520. Alright, so for example, you want to get this. And all you need to do is like export and copy. Copy from clipboard. And then go here. Create mo lang yung CSS. For example, you're going to name this gradient dash background. I think if you paste this one, there's yeah, gradient background. So maybe this can be your assignment, like how to use CSS into Accio, like into funnel design. But you can like review this one naman, the recording. So make sure to add important here and before here. Para this will be like prioritized. So once I save this, it will not going to take effect kasi I need to add this one sa custom CSS. So all I need to do is like type gradient dash background, enter. This will not take effect kasi there is a video yung nakaset. So if I set this one to image, see this, like you have the subtle background na behind. So this is a code. And if you want to make it more advanced pa talaga, all you can do is like select a specific image. So in our case, we have like image branding na that create ng graphics designer natin. I think that's Paul who created the branding. Maybe let's check. Yeah, this one. So see this subtle background sa likod. And you can like create a lighter version of it. Maybe this one. Or maybe I can like remove this one muna and like apply gradient dash background. So that's it. Like let's make this one full center, and then maybe wala yung na lang. So yeah. So this is an image version, and if you want, you can do the color version as well. So it's up to you, no? But the most optimized way is the code version. Kasi image is kind of very lag when you try to apply it onto the website. So, yun, you'll be having a full control. So there's a chance na you cannot like follow pa, but if you like keep practicing, no, like review the recording, for sure you're going to master these things. Yeah, it's kind of very overwhelming at first, but you can like master it naman. Yeah. So yeah, there's a lot of resources, Reza, for CSS. And
Thank
maybe
you
you
po,
can
Coach.
like take a look at for a day or two all about CSS. You can like master it. This is just showing you guys the potential of the like it's limitless. Especially if your client have design, have mock-up design, no? Like how can you like implement all of those things if you don't know how to use CSS, diba? But if you're the one doing designs for your client, yeah, you can be like play around with those settings or colors. Yun lang, wala nang questions, guys. Yeah, you're missing a lot if you don't ask questions. Kasi this won't happen next time.
Coach, pwede ba po magtanong?
Yeah, go.
Yung length po ng video, wala pong limit?
What?
Pag ilalagay po siya sa yung introduction ng video po sa ano. May
Can you
limit
like
po.
repeat kasi na-disconnect yung ko? Like, can you ask your question one more time?
Yung video po, Coach, may limit po ba? Yung length?
Since we're using Amazon Cloud Server, there's no limit sa pag-upload. But it will going to like slow your website talaga kasi it needs to like render the video.
Thank you po.
Okay.
Alright.
Meron pa po tayo.
Yeah. Question.
Do I need to be creative
or yung skill ko increase. Again, I think you're cutting, Sir Junray. Hello?
Hello?
Ayun, yan. Nag-ano, like, mute, unmute, yung ano, option in your end. Yeah, maybe you're asking if you need to be like, know how to use HTML, CSS to do this, correct? Yes, I think there's a problem with the mic. But if that's the question, there's no need for you to ano. If you know that's simple lang, it depends kasi how you close your client. For example, if you're very specific na ano, like, hi ma'am and sir, I'm the best person to make your funnel very beautiful, diba? If that's your goal, they are like very specific talaga with the design. But if your goal is, hi ma'am and sir, my goal is to make or drive your conversions talaga. Drive your abandoned cart to like into sales. So they will not expect that much design or ano talaga from you. It depends how you position yourself. Yeah.
Coach, question lang.
Yeah, go.
Coach, there is an app naman na ginagamit to lessen the ano po para hindi mahirapan yung site po ba yung website, yung page, yung website. So, nakakatulong ba yun po? Nalimutan ko yung pangalan ng apps pero
Lessen the
let's say para hindi mabigat kay website or funnel na gawin yung mga images.
it's like like compressor.
Yeah, the compressor.
Okay. I think you've noticed that compressor sa sa WordPress websites. Kasi WordPress is very big talaga. They tend to load a lot and they need to compress their CSS and JavaScript. Yeah, for WordPress, that's really helpful. But since in our case, we don't need to do that kasi we're using Amazon Cloud Server and automatic na yung caching niya to optimize. So as you can like notice, it's fast even though you're having a lot of data there. But for WordPress, it's required talaga na you need to compress or you need to have a tool or plugin to compress the codes.
Okay. Yun lang po. Thank you.
All right. So any more questions? Like in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So I think I'm done with the webinar na. So next time you need to like reserve your question before ending the webinar para you can like take advantage on the free webinar that we're having. Kasi this time we are very specific talaga on design. But next time iba na yung topic, so we cannot like go back here, like focus on the design naman ulit, diba? So yeah. So I think my role here is done. Okay. Back to you, Sheila.
Thank you so much, Coach Ron. So, virtual clap naman po dyan, guys. That's so insightful, Coach. Ang dami kong natutunan. And based sa mga nag-question, na kita din natin na madami din sila natutunan. So, before we end today's webinar, we want to say thank you for coming tonight. Thank you for everyone for coming. You all did great joining in and being part of it. So we hope you enjoyed that talk as much as we did and that it gives you a good idea when it comes to funnel creation from yung mga video na ini-insert and constructing the background from your text like that. So we want also to extend our gratitude once again to our wonderful sponsor. Thank you so much, Tamarind Boost Pro, Aki White Level Service, The Bisaya Coder, MJ Lux Nail, Santi Barley, VXN Circuit Safe, MacUV Dome, Pick and Mix Creative Fashion, and Pure Harvest Coconut Product. Your support has made this webinar possible. Again, everyone, see you on every Tuesday of our webinar. So, Premium Tuesday. So if Tuesday there is a Premium Tuesday or a Premium webinar, remember, the learning doesn't end here. Continue your journey by exploring our community at Akio Funnels Community. So we also have FB page, the Premium Funnels, and the Tamarind Boost Pro. Sa dalawang page po na to, FB page, pwede po kayong mag-scroll at doon po namin ipopost ang mga announcement and activities. Also, we have the community, which is the YouTube channel, the Premium Funnels. Pwede po kayo manood doon ng recordings, kagaya na to, mapopost po to siya sa YouTube po natin. So, pwede nyo po ba i-open ang mga camera nyo for the photo off? Let's open our cam, guys. Okay. That's it. Okay. So, isang screen lang po siya. So, everyone, smile po tayo. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Isa pa po. Another pose. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Thank you very much po. I hope you really enjoyed this webinar po. So, ito siya ay part 2 and the last part na po kasi na-discuss po natin sa part 1 yung from the scratch, kung paano magawa ng funnel, and hanggang dito po. So, I hope you learned a lot. Thank you again for spending your evening with us, guys. We look forward to seeing you at our future webinars and events. Until next time, have a great night. This is Sheila, your host for tonight's webinar, signing off. Thank you very much, guys. See you po.